come to do. RCFC want to attack early and get goals. Why? But this game I'm going to roll what like HD. Mendoza, win back. Body's going to the ball for it. So, it does a Nigel Leo. Wonderful work by Nigel attacking. Wonderful work, Nigel Leo. Wonderful work by Nigel. Now going to be a corner kick early. I tell you, so the game start. They know each other. Early attack, they're going to throw in. Then a corner kick, throw in. Nigel at the eastern touch. We back inside play by play. Ball in controlling, insulating backs. Coleman intercepted, kicks it out. Ball in controlling, breaks up, wide at eastern touch. Ball gonna be there for RC, FC attacking now to the corner of the stadium, ball went off the field. Throwing at eastern touch, early attack against each other. As they back, intercepted. Shot. Carry up big there by HD. Ball went out the field. Throwing gonna be eastern touch. Gonna be for your left back. HD hustlers. Hummingbird. Oh, referee overruled. And instead of words, so we're saying the ball gonna be the for RCFC. Trade. Intercepted. Ball went off the field. Ball gonna be a goal kick gonna be the first. AFC coming on. Too big for a house. Definitely these two things gonna be inside the playoff. But right now, the who's gonna be number 1 seed, number 2 seed. That's what they're battling right now. Inside their group. Yes, inside group A. These two teams gonna be inside the playoff, but it's all about number 1, number 2 seed. A 3.
Got it right, bro. Chucky, SQ, control, wide. On the western touch number 14, looking good, smart, goes around 1. Big, wrong 1. Big in control, number 11, wrong another. In control, big, loses. Intercept, pong for pong. Pong put that one.
I still go back.
By the defender. Going for escape.
I still go back. You don't know me, Captain.
Escape. On the attack, escape. Loses. And the man in the middle, Alexander Warlord, says, goal kick.
That's fine. Hard game, man. Too big qualifiers in there. Sorry, I said that.
That's right.
Hard like that.
BC, qualifiers, control, goal in the middle. Fine, number 11. Big, smart. Goes back to the defender. Back on the eastern touch. 2-1. Miguel, control. Miguel goes in the middle. Yes, intercepted there. By the defender. Stop. Work. Stop. Number 10, stop. Goes and find number 18. Omar and goes and find Nigel goes in the middle. Work. After field working. HD. They are 2-1.
Ben Moshe Papa fix 10-1.
Yes. Ben Moshe Papa fix game 1 week 10. They won 10-9. The first game.
See, I must say 7 goals out of 8. Big
That one booted out high. SK going for it. Miguel losing touch. Warren last thing that one through, but intercepted Miguel. Miguel control goes on the looking good to defender. Back to Miguel. Miguel fine. Miguel.
5-45, listen up.
Pong for Pong, intercept that one. Pong looking good, playing smart. Yes. Loses touch there by Marion. Troy for HD, they're up. Taking the time. Mark 90, go back. Dangerous.
Go back, 90.
Score a couple goals last week. 4. DC, control. DC, loses touch. Number 10. Goes and find up Nigel. Leo.
Ratipia.
My island here. One go. Remember we live on DYFA Garifuna Station 91. We're here.
And how far the first?
Controlling light on the eastern touch. HD. Big yeah. Going for it for losing.
Joshua
control. Goes in the middle. Control it.
Omar
now we keep back. We go forward. Number 10. He goes around one. Loses that one. They get in control. Keeps the other attack. Going for it. They go. Fine. Number 7 got intercepted by the defender. They looking good, playing smart, even near the down. They want to equalize this one before this game is over. They are war. They are war. CFC, RHD, it's up 1-0. Man in the middle coming to check. Estero. Might need some little touch, some pampering. But the man in the middle say, hey, let's roll. He's strong, that's a defender. We have shoulder.
Good to go.
Yes, shoulder to shoulder, no pain.
No pain, no gain.
Yes.
No pain, no gain, baby.
See on the attack. Well, first the defender. Smart. Shield. Yes, that one is headed up moving it out. By the defender on the eastern touch. Scale. Chucky. Looking good, looking for Miguel, but after the field of touch on the eastern touch. Warren Mars control. Warren. Loses that one DC control. Fine. Bibi will push his one and looking for Timothy against Pong. Watch his war. Pong against Timothy. Gonzalez. Yes. That one was run by Bibi. Bang. Wave. Bibi looking good. Fine. Miguel will crack. Fire. After field of touch. Goal kick for HD. Fuck it.
Here's one of work from HD. Goal kick for RC. Goalkeeper Orlando Jackson will take the kick. Take it from goalkeeper Orlando Jackson. Bobby before man, bring it back. Ball up. Bring it back to the general. Miguel. HD Hustlers. HD Hustlers. Long one off the field. Bobby for who? HD. The man in the middle, Alex Warlowry. Throw in first. HD Hustler up 2-1, bring it back. Hummingbird, HD. Bring it back. The general, baby. HD. Centers.
Why?
HD. Goalkeeper. Timothy Estero missing. Orlando Jackson, number 5. RC. Fine, man. Warren in the man. Nigel Hino. Rowan is there. All the way to goalkeeper Lincoln Lopez. The man is the paint the Humber. Lincoln Lopez.
From the paint shop? Yeah,
Big captain. Yeah, I'm the paint there for you.
yeah. You're right, fucking. You're right. That's the paint guy.
Big kick from Lincoln Lopez. High in the air.
Fucking.
Broke up from Denzel. Number 5 down to the RC. Bring it back. Stop. Hello, Pablo. Stop. Chunky. Bring it back. HD, Miguel. HD. Pato Bolo.
Right?
But when after the field and fly pimp, Joshua. Probably a change for HD. Bring it back, HD, Hustlers. Bring it back, Miguel. Miguel, the general, Miguel. Bring it back. All the way to 4 man, number 4. Number 4 man. Van go back, Mac 90, go back, Mac 90, go back. Max, they know they go back. Max Melendez, Max Vincent Melendez, Max. Bring it back to Omaron Hedwa. Bring it back to number 5. Number 5, RC. Number 5, Pong. Say, hold on, Max Vincent Melendez. RC. Make it from Max. 1 to 5, Nigel Hero. Nigel the chest down. Nigel Stop. Ow, off the field. Kanaki. What a word for RC. Kanaki. 2 balls to 1 today inside the second half. Final game for week 10. Tomorrow we continue with one double header. Game 1 tomorrow. Graveyard. Birthday, Pomonora and Bukoda week number 10 tomorrow. Beat up back at the birthday. Top shutters. Pop me for the general Miguel. Bring it back to SK. Chucky SK. Broke up from Denzel. Handball from the BDF defense for Timothy Estero.
Well, on the parties, inside commentating rolling nice. Big bad. What on the party front of 3. And then I was saying we have a commercial break. We need that. We didn't pay some bills. That plays a big role inside commentating. Take it away. Commercial break. Quick.
Yes, thank you very much, Rugged. We got to thank Easy Investment, Dan River Town Council, Jungle Bar Rum Bitters. You know you need rum bitters to fall. I also want to thank all the OC members for 2025. Now outside the box now. Mac 90 songs. Out of my life. Looking for. On the attack once again. On the attack. They're looking for Timothy Estero. Trying to make that pass, but blocked there by defender for RCFC. Yes, Max Melendez. Max. Still Max. Back to Pong for Pong action. Pong for Pong looking for number 5. 5 RCFC. RCFC push wide looking for Murray Mass. Capitan. Right on his chin. Andre. Right on his chin. Chin for chin action on headwalk. What will be there for RCFC number 18 neck that throw. Looking for Murray Mass. All the way back to Max. Number 14 Max playing, throwing around the ball. Go look around, Bibi, it's right there defending the ball. All the way back to Jackson. Big kick high up in the air. Yes, head out there by Miguel. Pong for Pong action. Number 5, marvelous football inside the legendary Ramos Stadium. Hedwa, the big head man. Hedwa, blocked there by Mac 90 songs from Hopkins Village. All the way to number 10 there for Panamanian striker. Striker looking for number 5. All the way back again, Max in controlling. In fact, we rolling, Rocket. We rolling. Number 14, big kick. So that's the Eastern touchline. RC in control for his cousin, Joshua Melendez. Trying to make that pass, but intercepted there by AC. Now still controlling. Foul! Non-stop action, what a game! 2 goals to 1 in favor of HD Hustlers, Hummingbird Distributors. Where you can find all the hardware needs, Rugged. You can find your lawnmower. You can find your axe. You can find your shovel and spade. It's 2 goals to 1. Big kick, high up in the air. Now, defended well by Andre Diego. Wonderful defense by Andre Diego. Diego boy. Boy, Namole boy. Yes, Hopkins, the Larobea again. Hopkins there, boy. Larobea, boy.
First, second, and third.
Yes, push wide for Joshua Melendez. We're rolling. Joshua, smart player, looking for number 5. Pong for Pong. High up in the air. Inside the box of the Niger. Goalkeeper Lincoln from Hummingbird. Big kick. They're looking now for the most dangerous player right now. That is Timothy Estero. A smart player, a tough player, a PDF, a soldier. Make that good pass there. Looking for HD. Feeble shot. Feeble shot.
That's that word me on the floor.
Yes. Max, intercepted. Maybe no, Estero, the most dangerous player tonight. Looking for Miguel. Miguel. Blocked them by RCSC. No, Bibi. Go! No, are you going to take this up?
No, I'm going to take it up.
Are you going to roll?
I'm going to roll. I'm ready to roll.
From Tobacco Key?
Yeah, it's from Tobacco. I'm ready.
Take it away.
I set pieces like this. Give Miguel the ball. I set pieces like this for Hummingbird. Give Miguel the ball. See, he don't know. Ubelu Miguel. He don't know. He think I hold it. He don't know the feeling time. I'll see you playing from the first half. This is my time.
Scores 3
But
last week.
goalkeeper, Jackson, are you ready?
Jackson ready?
Jackson, are you ready? Tap to the wall. Tap to the defense. Set up a wall, Jackson. This is going to be real. 2 goals to 1. You cannot make Hummingbird go 3-1 against you.
Miguel for Port.
RCSC, you cannot make Hummingbird go 3-1 against you. Okay, you are lose this game. Definitely. Miguel, the dangerous player right now, on the ball. He could touch away a hurt.
Score for half.
Yes, he could touch away a hurt. Miguel on the ball. Yellow and black, HC, Hummingbird, they up 2 goals to 1 attacking south. Miguel fires, defending off the wall, wonderful try. Ball in control, back inside, play by play. In control and going for it. Ball with Andre Diego. Diego bring it back. They start back in the defense. Nunes, back in the middle. Miguel again, wide push at the eastern touch. Hummingbird, take control, Heskey, wide push. Ball in control in RCFC. Kicks it up big. These RCFC defending champions, right?
Yes.
Defending champions.
On the south side. On the south side. Check the history.
Ball in control and going for it. Defending champion RCFC, they're trailing. Miguel, push it up, top of 18 backs. Pong. Big defense right now. Kicks it up big. Ball went off the field from Pong defense there for RCFC. Throwing gonna be there at the eastern touch. It's gonna be for Yellow and Black. Hummingbird distributors. HD. Ball back in the middle there, attacking South Centers. Right top of this. 18 backs. Intercept Goba. Goba loses. Benson Kaza back there to Goba. My boat captain, Hopkins, Goba take control, Goba, my boat captain, Hopkins, ball went off the field, ball will be, yes, he's from Hopkins, he's a boat captain. I was making tours inside Tobacco Key. I want to tell him the reason about this game. I told him about this game. We're back inside play by play. Ball gonna be kicked big there by RCFC on a Friday night, second half of this ball game. Live, wonderful Friday night. Hummingbird HD. The playoff gonna be real inside the Carl Ramos referee. Yes, referee Alexander World over said ball gonna be there for Hummingbird. Kicks it up big. Paul kicks it up back for a counter attack. We're gonna be there. Ball intercepted in the middle. Miguel. Okay, ball inside Warren Mass, take control, players out big. It's a hard game right now. I can imagine everybody on the field. Ball gonna be RCFC, take control Palomino. Robert Mendoza outside, front and three, take it away.
Thank you very much, Rob. RCFC looking to bring in 2 players from the bench. It's about time. Fresh Lebe is coming into the game. And change. Max coming out.
No, Edward.
Omarion coming out.
Edward. The big head.
AKA
And Robert.
Robert out.
Panamanian striker, boy.
Panamanian striker is gone. Let's see what these two changes will bring for RCSC. Can they equalize? Fresh legs. Unofficially 21 minutes elapsed into the second half. Week 10, game 2. Controlling there on the Eastern touch. HD. Going in the middle. Goalkeeper. Jackson cools it down. Right back on the attack on the Eastern touch. They want to tie this game, but the man in the middle, Alexander, the ball, Laurie, say foul. Hoppenberg up to 1. It's not over until the fat ladies sing. Anything can happen still. This is football, soccer. Looking good. RCSC on the attack, want to get on the scoreboard. Goalkeeper! Goalkeeper with the touch. What a play! What a string! Corner kick for RCFC. In the danger zone, controlling. Players going on the referee say, play on! Pong. RCFC Pong in control. He goes wide, find number 14. Number 14 back wave. Goes around 1.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Denzel. Fresh legs, they're doing good. Goes on the Eastern touch. Joshua in control. He's got that one in. And it's live. Penal! What a play!
You can see the goalkeeper know it's a penalty.
It's a penal. What a play. What happened, Robbie? The defender was standing. One player was outside, the other player running through. The middle wasn't outside for the time. It's a good play. Penal. Warren Mars will step up behind this one for RCFC.
I think it was a good penalty. It's a good penalty. Penalty call by Alexander Warren Lowry for RCFC. Can Warren Mars tie this ball game up? Let's see. Take it away.
Yeah, miss.
Unofficially. 23 minutes into this one. Penal.
Yeah, miss.
See that the penalty? No.
Miss.
It's time RCFC. Can they draw this one, tie this one up? 2-1. All in favor of HD. Let's see. What will happen now? Warren Mars. He's number 1 international player, Warren Mars.
With the captain, man.
The captain.
Can he tie it up?
Can he tie it up?
Lincoln Lopez.
Lincoln. And Bird. Lincoln. He got wing. Miss. But Warren Mars steps up. Go.
Miss. Miss.
Misses.
What?
That's all in football.
I put more to people now.
The great of it.
Yeah,
Don't come in.
everybody misses.
Anybody can miss.
You see what I tell Bucky
But
right?
it's fair.
You see right?
From the charity spot. Warren Mars cannot connect from the charity spot.
I think it's hard but it's fair. It's hard but it's fair. Warren Mars missing the penalty to tie the ball game in 2 apiece. Right now, that make RC just sassy now. They're gonna attack more. Let's see, you see? Referee gonna take control of this game. They're gonna be hard now, see? Can't gonna come up now. Take it away. Tell them about this game not leave up now. Hard now.
You again, Paki mouth, man.
He won't eat that, man.
I'm not salty, man. When I said I missed, I missed.
Warren Moss.
Bobby a free kick for HG. But wrong. 2-1. This game not over yet.
Yeah, wait, man.
I see that team with a defending champion. This game not over yet.
Tell the fat lady sing.
Until the fat lady sing.
We have to let everybody know that the team in blue are the Mayor's Cup defending champions for 2024. And right now they're down. There is a penalty to tie the ball game. So this ball game is rolling. It's a classical. I'm glad on the mainland to come and take this live on DYFA 91.7. Beat the good night. Good night, everybody. Look at this game. What now the punt is taken away.
Bobby go, HG, Fenton inside the back. Head up for RC.
Boy.
Timothy. Yes, outside Timothy. Outside the BDF, defense work. Bobby for let me pick some back. Let me bring it back to number 5. Number 5 bring back to Nigel Hino. Nigel back to let me pick some back. Let me pick some back.
Boy, see that?
RC, number 19. RC for
Boy,
Can't bet now, keep up.
Now they pick got a good today.
Huh?
Now they pick me today. Bobby Fur. RC. Send that inside the back, number 5. You control off the field. Turn over, baby. If I done it. Bobby a chain, Denzel take that show. Bring it back to Matt Vincent Millende. Matt, bring it back to number 5. Number 5. Broke up and go back.
John. Number 5.
Number 5 get book. Bring down the boat captain. Go back Mac 90.
Hopkins board captain.
Hopkins boat captain. We work that to back like Logan Levi. Go back Mac 90. The DJ, he got everything. He got work captain, he play football, he got DJ. Why go back?
Man a hunter man too.
You go get Rossi too.
Get Rossi too, brother.
You man a hunter man too?
Yeah.
Anyway, for the crab season.
Hard.
You fair?
Hard work if ya. Me leave my 4 man who take the free kick.
Sitting in the play out, but hard work. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Referee run things.
4 man, number 4 will take the free kick. Big kick. Number 5 RC. Number 5, DNA, Warren Ross. Because of the captain, Warren. Benson. Yellow, we bring down the captain, Warren. We bring down Warren, Captain D, the Mass, BC. They book, the yellow card. I'm not doing nothing now. Free kick for RC. Matt Vincent Melendez, number 14 will take the free kick. Melendez, Sentence. Warren, RC, Levy, Levy. Number 19. Bring it back to number 5, RC. Number 5, Chris. Fayad. Four man. I'm below. Bring it back. Lose control. Miguel, lose control. RC. RC. Levy Peshawar. Lose control. HD. Broke up on Joshua, fly pip. Joshua. Melendez fly pip. Bring it back. RC. Round 2. RC. FC. Joshua. Melendez. Joshua. Bring it back to the captain. Warren D. The Mass. Warren. Warren to find number 19 again. Number 19. RC. RC. Number 19. Center.
Out of play.
Levi, SK, bring back to Miguel. Look control Miguel. Miguel. Big kick for HD on the run. One Timothy. Outside. Timothy outside.
Long time, Timothy.
Long time Timothy.
Man, God, skyscraper now.
Bobby for number 5. RC. Big kick for number 5. 1 to 5 Warren. All the way to goalkeeper Lincoln Lopez. Lincoln Lopez. Big kick for Lincoln. Miguel. Bring it back, BC. Bring it back. HD. Lose control. RC. Angelino. 1 to 5 Warren. 1 to 4. RC. HD. Hustler. HD. Bring it back. HD. On the counter-attack. Centers. Broke up for Pong. Pong to Pong.
Hard work, Pong. Good work, Pong.
Number 5, bring it back to number 19, RC number 19. Bring it back to Levy Pinchava.
Yeah, that work. RCFC defending champions.
Joshua,
Defending champions. This one. Put that in there.
Joshua. We not play RC on the contact. RC. So stop off the field. Gotta kick for RCFC. They are stuck 2025. Rule. Stop here. We have 4 from Group A and 4 from Group B.
Yeah, change up now.
Change coming up for
Time, right? Top
It's
eight.
Bird.
Half time.
Nigel out. Off the field. But we are working for HD. Rocket.
Talking here about the parties rest. As the winding down slowly. Inside second half of game 2. It's up 2-1 ball game. Yellow back is up. Hummingbird distributors. With a yellow name then, or a big name inside the country of Belize. Ball in controlling going forward. Go back. Loses. RC, FC. It's going to be a battle. One put go back. Put it off. Wonderful work that go back. Bring it back. Throwing it to RCFC. They take control of 14. Back into Warren Mass. Belize international captain there for RC tonight. Back in the midfield. Back into Warren Mass. Go back. Go back. I don't want to see right now. Yes, Hopkins board captain. Tourism New York. Marlin go back there, go back. Is it out? In controlling, going forward. Back with RCFC. RC want to tie it up before the complete 90 minutes. RC, FC in blue. They are attacking that in the Carnival Stadium on the Eastern Touch. Let's see. RC bring the back up on the 18 block. RC, FC fires! Deflected off. Back in the medium arm and bird distributors. Again. Smart, push it up. Ball on the run. Pong. Goalkeeper with the earth. Jackson. Pulls it down. This is a ball game. I love to commentate. Ball in control. Back into Menendez. Max. Back into number 19. Take control. RCFC want to turn up. Ball on the run. Sit RC. Go back. Listen up on them. All the way play. They want to win this game. I get it for a house. But this 2 team will be inside the playoff. All about the standings. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number C. Let's see, clears up big. Balling, controlling. Timothy Estero. Mr. Timothy. Play ball. Balling, go back there to RC. Warren Mass, take control. Ball intercepted, going forward. Picks him up. Wide push. Back in the RCFC. FC, 35 Warren Mass. Alright, goalkeeper. Jack. Lincoln Lopez. Cruising down. 2 goals boys inside the car will stay on Friday night. Winding down from double header tonight. We'll be back tomorrow with another double header. Sunday gonna be Conquerors against Napolis. FFB Inter-District on Sunday. Tomorrow is going to be BS Cup. Sunday is the Inter-District. That Conquerors bounce back from 6-2. Yes. Let's see. Picks him up. RCFC picks him up. Wide, smartly. Bring back in the middle, losing. Back in the middle for Hummingbird. This is what we're talking about. Wide goalkeeper action. Inside the back, cruising down. Jackson kicks it up. RCFC want to turn this ball game. We're inside the Garifuna Stadium, live on a Friday night on Route Town. 91% DYFA Garifuna Radio Station. And they're already going only Friday night. Live, they're attacking him through. We got RCFC. Wow, we have the corner kick. Boy, corner kick the time out. Penalty. Set piece, you just done. You just done right now in a 2-1. They said pieces. Oh, it's going to be a goal kick.
No, that play done gone.
That play gone already. Ball going to be there for HD, Hummingbird, whatever I need. Whatever I need. If you can't get it there at that time,
just
they are telling you
them
right there. Should I write that? The play off right now, I'm going to need. HD, Hummingbird, whatever I need.
They got to run with
yes, whatever I need, right there. HD. They're up. They come from nowhere inside the main stuff for the first time. Already qualified and they're doing big things. Heads out by Andre Diego. Ball in control, Andre Diego, the ball player. I can talk to him anytime. Ball on top of the 18 box, going for it. Breaks up there. Ain't gonna be there for RCFC. They got a lot more time. RC, push it up big. Ball on the run, RC, goalkeeper. Lincoln, no passing goal. Performance tonight, everybody. Legendary, the Garifuna Stadium. He has come at his best. 2 big powerhouse against powerhouse. 2 teams already qualified. But it's a war. The first to play ball. RC, take control. Yes. Patient, wrestle. Ball inside. Give it up all the way. Manani. Panthers, take it away. Achi Mandalino.
Unofficially, 38 minutes into this one elapsed. Goalkeeper will put this one in the air, but Pong. Control, number 14. Max. Goes around 1. Max. Controlling goes back to number 16. Pong for Pong. Change it on the eastern touch. Intercept there. On top of it. RCFC, controlling go wide on the eastern touch. All alone. Put this one into the danger zone. Okay. Can they tie it up, Rum? Can they tie it up, Paki? Let's see. Goalkeeper put that one into place half touch. Going for it, Pong. Control, Pong. Loses. Going for it. The captain, the road captain. Mark 90. Go by, yes, Mark. Intercept. Number 5, okay, good playing smart. 5, Bob Whip, BC, Benson Carter, go back, control, back to Benson Carter, Benson Carter, control it. Go wide, fine, the soul there. Timothy, not a wrong Pong. Pong say, I'm here. And the man in the middle hour say, foul. Change, couple of changes for HD. Changes.
4 changes.
4. They're up. Number 20 out.
Changes, yes man.
Changes.
Want to let change come off, let's go in. Let's go guys. Good one, Benson.
Benson Carter out. Ref legs. booted out. Going for it. Defender. Warren Mass. Warren Mass will string that one. The man in the middle say, corner kick. What a pass. Warren Mass. Aye. Can we get some sponsors for tonight?
Commercial big guys.
Thank you very much, Tree. I've been waiting for that for a long time. Want to thank Jungle Vibe from Bitters high up in the air, headed up there by defender. No, Warren Mass inside the box. Warren Mass! Wonderful try by Warren Mass. The closing minutes of this ball game. Yes, I want to say thanks to all the sponsors for tonight's show. Easy Investment, Dangiga Town Council. Jungle Vibe from Bitters, you need one. Everybody need a Jungle Vibe. Yes. Everybody need a Jungle Vibe. So we want to thank them for sponsors for tonight. Want to thank Digi1 for making it clear. Digi1, Digicel, Digi1, thank you very much. Yes, everything is clear. Not the stagger tonight. Not the fizzle tonight. Everything is clear. It's rolling smooth. Everything is crystal clear tonight. Thank you very much, Digi1.
No freezing.
No freezing. Nothing to freeze tonight. Everything clear. Thank you very much, Digi1, for our sponsor. Number 19, RCFC. Yes, the clock is winding down. The clock is winding down. HD with the ball. Ball. Andre Diego. Yes, he's down.
I saw you, Andre.
Yes, we see you, Andre.
I saw you, Andre.
Yes, we see all these boat captains. A lot of boat captains out here from the back of me. Yes. Big up yourself, number 14, Mac 90. You boat captain from Tobacco Key Range. Yes. Looking for Estero. High up in the air. Mac 90 songs. Block there, boy.
Okay.
Go back. No, Estero. Intercepted there by defender from RCFC. That was the errant pass by Estero. Wonderful try. Still in control in the RCFC. Libby, Pizzaba number 9, looking for Warren Mass. Warren Mass, Captain RCFC. RCFC push wide. On the attack once again. Trying to find Warren Mass, but no. Intercepted. Right outside the box. It's going to be a throw-in. Again, thanks to all the sponsors. Dangiga Town Council, Easy Investment, Digi1, Paki, Wadan the race. Close this out. Only a few minutes left. According to unofficial time, it's about 42 minutes elapsed. The clock is winding down. Block there by Warren Mass inside the box. Inside the box now, inside 18-yard box. Chip pass there, looking for goalkeeper Lincoln. Woo! Goalkeeper Lincoln get collapsed. He got kapuha man. They kapu the man. They kapu the goalkeeper. Yes. When you have two powerhouse meeting like this, yes. Hey, it's like Ukraine and Russia right now. We want to thank all you see all the bar boys on top of the fence. The bar boys are doing a good job. The police officers, thank you very much for security, referee, everybody at the boat. Thank you very much for the show tonight, making it safe. All right, the thing I rain all night tonight, Rugged, but no, God said no. We'll make this game I play tonight. Lincoln from Heimbird. You know, every game Lincoln get hurt, you know. Every game, that boy cry about the game, but he's my boy. I love Lincoln. They didn't know I'm going to work tomorrow, but it's all right. Kenneth, don't give me a day off. Kenneth, give me a day off tomorrow, man. Come from Heimbird. You are seeing a limp after the game, Lincoln with a limp. That's what you do it. Pong for pong action. Live action. Paki, can you take it away? Can you close this out? Youngest MC in the world? Are you ready? Are you ready, youngest MC in the world? Are you ready, Paki? Are you ready?
Unofficial, 44 minutes inside of our game.
Well, you have to pick up the
Big kick.
You have to pick up the
Big up him. And you want to fight with me today?
Chill, bro.
Take it first now,
Come and get the game.
Power will be for RCFC. 2 goals to 1.
Goal kick for RC. Big kick from goalkeeper Orlando Jackson. Let me press about.
I don't put right now.
Let me press about. Big kick from Bolo. Bobby for RC. Lose control. Miguel. HD. Bring it back.
After Roches. After Flores.
Go back.
90. Why?
Broke up our phone. Miguel. Goalkeeper Orlando Jackson.
That is smooth shot.
Big kick from goalkeeper Orlando.
Why?
RC.
Leon, this is Leon Scott Pocket. It's got a roll.
Broke up for RC, Denzel Melendez. Big kick from Denzel on the Vanny brother. Warren. Bring it back. Link the pressure back. Back to Captain Warren in the ball after he. Unofficial. 5 minutes inside the game. Yeah. Oh, midfielder. Yeah, unofficial. Goal kick for HD. I know. Big kick. High in the air. Hello from Pong. Joshua Melendez. Bring it back to Max. Vincent Melendez. Max. With the center. RC. Hello from HD. Big kick from RC. HD. Timothy Estero, Pong. Timothy Estero. Denzel Melendez. I know there, Timothy. Denzel Melendez. Ball! It's hard, but the fair Timothy get both by yellow card. Bring down. Denzel Melendez. I said, I mean, control the middle. Hard, but if you are. I will live right inside Caramas.
91.7
DYFA. Big kick from RC. Head up from 4-man. RC. Four. Alright. These are the time, bro. These are the last shot and these are the time. You need a best right kicker.
And this a miss.
These are the time. You need a long run now.
This is RCSC. Moments to tie this man in. To what to do. This is the last moment for them. This is RCSC last moment. Everybody can crawl inside the 18 box. No, you can't shut that ball like that. Silence on one side, right away.
Game done.
Ball game is over. Ball game is over. Coming ball again, distributors. I tell you whatever I need from them, Hummingbird win. Hummingbird win again. They over-qualify. They over-qualify for the top 8 playoffs. RC is still there, but I like that last shot, let's go. Send the best kicker that last shot, let's go. Never like that to front on the ball. I don't like it. Good night, everybody. Welcome. First game earlier. Bengals about 6-10-1 over Penang. We start game 2. Game 2, Hummingbird distributors. 1. 2 goals to 1 over RCFC. Big game. These are 2 big guns. These 2 teams are going to be inside the playoffs.
Tomorrow.
They're going to be inside. Right now, Hummingbird look good. They are the number 1 seed inside. Tomorrow, we're going to see.
Graveyard against Pomona Warriors.
Tomorrow at 7, Graveyard against Pomona Warriors. After that, at 8:39, B-Tom, Bakatom, take it on Top Shatters. Then on Sunday, It's gonna be the Football Federation of Belize, FFB, Inter-District. Our home team, Korea Conquerors, Gorasso. Conquerors taking on Napolis from Belmapan. Good night, everybody.
All right.
Good night. We see everybody tomorrow night again. Police officers, good night. Referees, good night. Fans, good night.